Foods that are good for your heart, part 1. Since we cover so many foods that you should probably avoid in my videos, I wanted to cover some that you should definitely eat because they're actually good for you. We'll start the list with one of my favorites, which is dark chocolate. And real quick, if you guys watched my video about foods that are good for your brain, you'll notice that some of these cross over and are also good for your heart, like dark chocolate. And to be specific, we're talking about dark chocolates that are 70% or more cocoa. So dark chocolate is full of antioxidants like flavonoids that can protect your heart and have been connected to reducing the risk of heart disease. And heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, even more so than all of the different cancers combined. So definitely pay attention to this list and try to incorporate it into your diet. By the way, I've tried both of these brands. I don't really like stevia, so I skipped this one mainly, but the other brand is really good. Let me know what brands you guys like. Next up on the list is dark leafy greens, and that includes kale, spinach, and collard greens, but there's a lot more as well. These are also rich in antioxidants and minerals such as vitamin K, which is really good for your arteries and also promotes proper blood clotting. They're also high in dietary nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure, reduce artery stiffness, and improve the function of cells lining blood vessels. Alright, number 3 on the list is berries, and that includes blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. And I'm sure all the other berries are good too, but we're just going to talk about those 3 for now. So these little berries are full of antioxidants called anthocyanins, and they can protect the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to heart disease. And I'm going to be posting a video of this recipe of the sparkling blackberry juice that I made using that hand juicer I got off of Amazon for like 24 bucks. But yeah, it was fire. Alright, next up is whole grains, and that includes whole wheat, rye, brown rice, oats, quinoa. They are all good for protecting against heart disease, and when you're going to buy them, don't be tricked by these phrases like multigrain or wheat flour. Those terms don't mean that it's actually whole grain. You want to look out for terms whole grain or whole wheat. Alright, I'm so glad that garlic made it on this list because I love garlic. I love cooking with it. There's like a TikTok sound like I'm a garlic girl, and I agree with that TikTok sound. I think I am too. Garlic's been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy to a variety of different ailments, and recently they've connected it to helping the heart because of a compound in it called allicin. Certain studies have shown that garlic extract is just as powerful and effective as prescription medication at reducing blood pressure, as well as lowering cholesterol, and it even inhibits platelet buildup, which can prevent blood clots and strokes. And it's best to eat it raw and let it sit for a few minutes after you chop it up and then eat it. This allows for the formation of the allicin compound, and that makes it more beneficial.